VP Inday,
Yes.
have you heard of the change in the Senate presidency na si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na po ang Senate President? What do you have any thoughts or lingering opinion about the change of leadership sa Senate, ma'am?
Well, wala naman kasi kung ano yung liderato sa loob ng Senado, no, desisyon yon ng mga senators, mga membro ng ating Philippine Senate. So kung ano yung kalabasan nung kanilang botohan ay desisyon yon ng karamihan ng kanilang mga membro.
VP, just to conclude, what's your thought about the ginawa nila kay Senator Bato, ma'am, that they're trying to sort of lock down the Senate right now because they want to capture him and implement or serve him the warrant of arrest coming from the ICC?
Tulad ng mali yan, tulad ng ginawa nila kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, mali din yun. No? Dahil ang isang warrant of arrest galing sa labas ng Pilipinas, hindi issued by a Philippine court, should be presented in a Philippine court.